Hey guys, welcome to the Exaltify Church application channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to register yourself on Exaltify. This is our website. You can visit it anytime. exaltify.com.ng. Let's move to the registering page. You can see you can get started for free. For this video, I'll be using the free forever plan. Here, you input your name, your last name, your phone number, your email address, and then you input your church name, and then you sign up. After sign up, you'll be brought to this page for registration completion. Here, you input a password known to only you, your church email, your church phone number. If your church doesn't have a website, no problem, it can still go. And then your church leader's name. And then you select your state, your local government, and then you type in your church address, and then you complete your registration. After registration, you now have a church dashboard. This is where you see your members' amount made in 30 days. Thanks.